All right, so we got some parts in the mail, as you can see. However, I'm sending the tires back and I'm sending the wheels back. The wheels are in here. I'm sending both of them back, but it's for a good reason, and it's because I'm a psychopath. So these are 315 75 16s, aka 35s. Those were 16 by 8 wheels. I had been planning on running this setup for a long time when I finally decided to get a Tacoma. But I found a few guys running a different setup that is way more appealing to me and kind of my style and way of doing things. So I am actually going to be running 37s on a 17 by 8.5. So we're not doing 35s, we're not doing 16s, we are doing a 37-inch tire. I will be keeping the independent front suspension. Most of the people that I've seen running 37s, or at least the ones that gave me the idea, are still on independent. They seem to be doing fine. They go out on trails and like snow runs a lot from what I've seen. And I think one guy has broken a CV. So I'll keep a couple spares on deck, but I think this is going to be, well, I know it's going to be a fun setup, but I think it's also going to be a good trail rig and just all around adventure mobile. Plus it's going to be sick. 37s, the 37s are kind of the new 35s in my mind. Before it was like 33s were the big thing. Then everyone was running 35s. But only so many people are willing to step it up to 37s because they don't want to break shit. Even 35s will break shit, apparently, from what I've been reading, what I've read and gathered for a long time. But I like going big on this channel, or at least going big in a different way. So I will be running 37s. But I'll be running the same tire. So it is a Federal, I call it the Couragia, Couragia. I'm not really sure if that's how you pronounce it or not, but it's affordable, solid tire. It's made by Federal. Super aggressive tread block design. I might get them siped so they don't suck during the winter and in ice. But yeah, I'm gonna be running the same tire, just a bigger version of it. And don't get me wrong, these are fucking big tires. Ugh. So that's about up to my hip, like right below my hip. I'll show you a comparison to my dogs. Come here, dogs. So yeah. You can barely, yeah, it's a pretty big ass tire. And I got another surprise for you. Oh. That's the swole test. If you can pick up a 35 with one hand and put it back on the stack. All right, let's go over here. Hi, munchkins. Boom. Lift kit came in. So this is the lift I'll be running. It's the Toytec Bilstein lift, 3 inches in the front, about 2 inches in the rear. I did the add-a-leaf option instead of the block. The block just doesn't seem right to me. So I did the rear add-a-leaf, coilover suspension in the front. So I can pull this out. So yeah, Bilstein coilover for the front. And I'll crush it, just Bilstein 5100s for the rear. And then it comes with standard diff drop, which I think you need on first gens. Second and third gens, I don't think they needed it as much because it doesn't even really drop it, but first gen Tacoma, I believe it's a must. Gave me some new bushings, so that'll be good. So yeah, let's see what else. I ordered a bunch of shit just because I didn't want to put this on and have a bunch of old used bushings and shit on there. That's just like asking for a fucking catastrophic failure to happen on a trail. So I also got JBA upper control arms, new OEM inner and outer tie rods. What else? Whiteline suspension, lower control arm bushings. And they use like a proprietary, or I don't know if it's, no, it's not proprietary, but it's like stronger than rubber, but not as hard as polyurethane type bushing. So it's like a hybrid between the two, I guess. So I got those for the lower control arms. And then I got a valve cover gasket kit that I'll be putting in because mine leaks a little bit. I'm trying to think of what else. Don't want to hold you guys in the same spot. Ooh. I think that is it suspension wise. Yeah, and then I'll probably order an exhaust, maybe an intake. I don't really like doing intakes unless I can find a true like cold air one. And even if I do, I don't want it close to the ground because I'm probably going to be going through water and shit. So who knows, but I'm definitely going to order an exhaust. It's too quiet. Hey, calm down. Fucking psychos. But yeah, lots of mods to come. I'm in the works with a fabricator right now. Not the same guy who did my X5 bumpers, but a different one. We are already working on a front and rear tube bumper. It'll be a little bit different than my X5. And my Tacoma is going to have a winch this time, so I can go solo sometimes if I want to. So I'll be having a winch plate mounted to the front bumper and a winch. What else? So I think that's it for now. I just wanted to do a quick update and just show you guys that the parts are rolling in, even though I'm sending those ones back. My 37s and 17-inch wheels should be here by the end of this week. It's Monday today, so hopefully they're here by Friday, Saturday at the latest. And then we'll get cracking on the install. So yeah, I hope you guys are as excited as I am, and I'll make a video when my 37s get here. Later.